Will the auction Subaru start? 3, 2, 1. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here in beautiful Los Angeles, California. We're getting to the Copart lot right now to pick up the Subaru. Just wanted to snap this picture. Look at these airplanes. It's right behind our hotel. Without further ado, let's dive in. Going on, guys? We are here at Van Nuys Copart. We're about to pick up the Subaru. I don't know if you guys can see in the background, there's a few people waiting for us, so it might take some time until we get the Subaru out, but I'm really excited. It's a car that I've always wanted to get. The opportunity presented itself and I decided to buy it, so fingers crossed it's a good one, and I'm glad I could bring you guys along with the journey. Alright guys, the car that we just got is right behind me. You ready? This is going to be the most epic rebuild project on YouTube. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. Boom. I'm just kidding, guys. There's no way in hell this fix that. Just an update. You can probably see from the cars in the background. You're gonna probably wonder why we stopped on the side of the road. Let me go ahead and show you what happened. We called roadside assistance for help. I'm sitting here vlogging on the side of the road. Got Highway 5 right there. We got a text notification from U-Haul. They have a random shop coming out to go ahead and repair it for us. 30-minute wait.
A few moments later.
Guys, we got Alex to the rescue. He's moving over to go ahead and...
Chrome wheel. We're here in Valencia. We do everything: wheels, tires, powder coating, chroming, fixing wheels, tires. We do it all. So appreciate it. Thanks for coming out. Okay, take care. Have a nice day.
Hey everybody, it is the next day. We arrived pretty late back here and it was too dark to film, so we're gonna leave the filming for today. unload the car and take a closer look at what we purchased. Moment of truth, will the auction Subaru start? 3, 2, 1. Like nothing. No lights on the dash either. So we have an issue unloading the Subaru. The U-Haul trailer that we have actually has a lip, as you can see right here. This lip right here that prevents the car from rolling forward. It's fortunately a little too high and our bumper does not want to clear it. We have a better shot on this other side. Yeah, you can see that could be a problem right there. And we don't want to rip off our front bumper, so what we're going to do is go ahead and lift the car up, put some blocks underneath the tires so that our bumper clears that trailer lip, and then we can roll off the car. So lifting the car while it's on this trailer is out of the question. There's absolutely no pinch point that it's visible without damaging the side skirt, and I really don't want to take that off. But looking at this, what I went ahead and did is drove the car forward as much as possible, so it's literally pushed up against this front lip. I decided to put a 2x4 right here, and as we start rolling back, the front end's gonna go up onto that block, essentially giving us enough clearance to go ahead and clear that lip. That is going to be it for today's video. If you want to see what happens with this Subaru, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. And if I earned your thumbs up, be sure to hit that like button and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. That said, guys, I will see you in the next one.